Welcome to Internet Marketing Academy. Learn internet marketing and grow your business with KOKOSHUNGSAN. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell for the latest updates. If you like it, please like, share it, and leave comments. Thanks for your support and for helping us make the world a better place. Email marketing secrets get more people to buy your products. The secrets to getting more people to buy your products and the affiliate products you recommend, no matter how many so-called competitors are hovering around. Generally, email marketing is more effective in many ways because of several underlying factors. These factors contribute to the positive attraction to use email marketing as a viable tool. This will show you how. The money is in the list. You've probably heard that before, right? Well, that's not exactly true. Not the whole truth anyway. The biggest obstacle you face and have to overcome when you publish a newsletter or put any free or paid information out there is the fact that people have gotten used to getting junk from your competitors, disguised as helpful free or paid information. I gotta get paid, many writers. That's a surefire recipe for disaster. Whenever you write anything for your subscribers, website visitors and customers don't write with the sole intention of getting a check. Getting checks is nice, but your business lives or dies based on how many people believe you genuinely want to help them achieve their goals. Without an effort from you to show your readers that you value them enough to part with real information and that you see them as more than just a dollar sign, you're going to be lumped in a group with all the rest of your competitors with a big sign on your forehead marked, "We'll do anything for commissions." Responsive readers are born from conscious efforts to build a solid relationship with them. People connect with other people. Not mindless robots that only want commission checks. Now don't get me wrong. I'd love for you to buy the products I recommend, but I'm not going to force that on you. When I do enough of the right things in your eyes, I will have earned the right to ask you for your money in the form of commission checks from other products and services. The big thing is that I have to earn that right by giving up good information that is of actual use to you. When you write anything you expect other people to read, the same thing applies to you. If you're going to create information full of affiliate links, then you're completely missing the point of what it takes to get people to value what you have to say. I've done that in the past and it is nowhere near as effective as what I'm about to show you. If you want people to eagerly anticipate your next email with every intention of jumping on any products or services you recommend, you should follow the 3 rules I'm about to lay down for you, because that's entirely possible to accomplish. Chapter 1. Email Marketing Basics. Sending email is first and foremost the cheapest, if not a cheaper, way of communicating. With the element of having the essence of a more personal tone and touch, the email marketing tool is able to deliver this sentiment quite well. Using email as a communicating factor for marketing creates the circumstances for the user to deliver the message to the target audience directly instead of having the viewer search for it on the internet. Doing it right can ensure that email marketing as a tool is an asset to building a respectable number of customers and to keeping them loyal. There are several types of email marketing styles, some of which include direct email, retention email, advertising by tagging on other people's email. All of these, when applied to the correct target audience, can generate the desired interest in any product or service. Direct mail involves sending a promotional message in the form of an email to the target audience. These emails may be about special offers being featured or the launching of new products. This more personal approach gives the impression of making the customer feel privileged. Retention email is designed to only encourage the recipient to take action in the form of buying or signing up for something. In this instance too, the recipient is made to feel privileged to be on the list of selected clientele. Advertising on other people's email is also another way of using the email marketing feature as a tool. Here the user tags their products or services onto the advertisement of more established players for a fee. This will ensure the user is able to reach the target audience of the established entity. Click link below to learn more. Learn more at uni24x7.com. KOKOSHUNGSAN pays you to have fun. KOKOSHUNGSAN.net